question, what is a shortage? This is going to be a very popular topic, and also one of the more confusing or complex answers and questions, because this is a part of an escrow that most people find confusing. I will explain the calculations on how a shortage is calculated, and I'll explain to you what it is, okay, and what it's not. A shortage is not because your taxes and insurance increase. That's one factor in it, but most people want to say, if my taxes increase $200 and my insurance increases $200, it's a $400 increase. I should have a $400 shortage. That's not how it's calculated. It's not apples for apples. It's really apples and oranges, okay? It's a totally different part of your escrow. A base escrow payment and a shortage are two totally different things. They are calculated two different ways. As we know, base is going to be your taxes and insurance added together divided by 12. Your shortage is going to be calculated a totally different way. Your shortage, and you might want to write this down, is going to be calculated based off of the current amount of funds you have in your escrow account right now. At the moment it gets ran, how much money do you have in your escrow account? And then we add your base escrow payment to that amount for the next 12 months. We compound it every month. For 12 months, we're compounding the base escrow payment every month to what you currently have. And then we look out over that 12 months and we look to see when we're going to pay your taxes and insurance. And wherever on that spectrum of those 12 months, your payment or your dollar amount that's in your escrow account falls to its lowest point, it can fall below negative multiple times throughout the year. But we're going to look for the lowest. Wherever it falls the lowest, you have to have that amount of funds brought back up to the required amount that's supposed to be in your account. And the required amount is 2 base escrow payments. So once you figure out what a base payment is, which is everything added together divided by 12, 2 of those, so multiply it by 2, that's the required amount that needs to be in your account. So you find the lowest point in the 12 months, add that to your required amount. That is what is needed to be in your account, and that is what a shortage is calculated off of. If that low point is above the required amount, that is a surplus. You have a surplus on the account. You have too much money. We're going to give it back to you. If it's below the required amount, you have a shortage on your account.